Ahora vamos a ver por dónde que se le entra el agua al coco. No, mentira. A ver por dónde que tenemos que hacer la fila para hacer la prueba de manejo del Jeep y montarnos y ver cómo se sienten los vehículos Jeep viviendo la experiencia de la pista. Una pista que ya hemos visto en múltiples auto shows. Es la misma pista, lo llevan a todos los lugares para demostrar las capacidades dinámicas de este producto. Fíjenselo ahí. Cómo va el tema de del breakover, las articulaciones y todo eso que hay con los productos. Todo esto está preparado perfectamente, a la perfección, para ver cómo se sienten. Fíjense lo cerquita, miren cómo levanta las rueditas atrás. Esta es la pista de Jeep. Yo soñaría con ver una pista quizás no tan estructurada, porque estamos hablando de una... esto es muy costoso, yo lo sé, pero algo que se pudiera vivir. Así que miren aquí, vamos a ver por dónde entramos para vivir la experiencia, porque la realidad es que sería muy ápero que nosotros pudiéramos compartir con ustedes cuáles fueron las impresiones nuestras aquí en la pista de Jeep. Así que seguimos probando autos, seguimos viviendo la experiencia y transmitiéndoles lo que vamos viviendo. Pero a mí me gustaría... ¿En qué nos montamos, señores? Este sería fantástico, que nos montemos en el Cherokee nuevo.
Sí, vamos montando en ese.
Sería espectacular. Uy, qué bello sonó eso. Yo soporto que lo hagamos varias veces, o sea.
Sí.
Three. Yeah.
What's up, guys?
Very good, man. Para. Okay. Los cinturones.
So where do you feel like going?
Very good. We're gonna live this experience for the first time. Okay, ahora vamos, miren hacia dónde vamos. Okay.
40 degrees now, look at it.
Miren, ahora. Wow, qué poder. Wow. Increíble, impresionante.
The bar is disconnected. Short enough to do a base snatch, nice center here.
Uepa.
Cuando viene, pero... Cuando va Julián.
Oh. Wow, miren, dónde está el piso, la inclinación. Increíble. Ahora vamos con la escalera.
These are all set.
Oh, that's good. Awesome, man, awesome. That's the kind of things that we really enjoy. Súper bien. Ahora nosotros nos montamos en el Grand Cherokee. La textura.
How are you guys doing today?
Oh, super, man.
Alright, so welcome to Camp Jeep. My name's Nick. We are in our all-new Grand 28 feet tall. We're going 40 degrees on up, 40 degrees back down. Nice and easy on up here. And going down, we have what's called our hill descent control. So the Jeep can actually do all the braking for the ABS and transmission together for us. That way we can just focus on steering. We don't keep tapping the brakes. And the 4xe is the plug-in hybrid, so we can actually go up to 56 miles in an all-electric mode. We have a total range of 443 miles with a full charge and full tank of gas. And on the breakover, as we pull up, our front passenger tire is going up in the air. We're going to do a little teeter onto it right about now. The Jeep actually cuts all the power to that tire once it senses that it's just spinning and not gaining traction, and distributes it to the other 3 tires there. And on the wedge, we're going 25 degrees up. You can actually go up to 30 without tipping because of that low center of gravity that we have. It's going to be a little bumpy driving up these stairs. We are testing the ground clearance, but just one has an air ride suspension. So you can actually raise and lower it a total of 4.7 inches. Right now it is raised all the way up to 11.3 inches of ground clearance.
And the camera just bumping, you know? The cameras are jumping more than the suspension.
Okay.
And then this one has that 2-liter turbo under the hood, has 375 horsepower, 470 pound-feet of torque with it. And last up, this off-camber is just going to rock us from side to side, testing how well the Jeep handles on even surfaces. And on that 10.1-inch touchscreen, we have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And we also have heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats up here. And this one is going for about $75,000 as it sits. That is fully loaded inside and out. Here we are. You guys have any questions for me?
No.
All right.
We're enough.
You guys